Introduction to IT Service Management, ITSM. IT Service Management, ITSM, is a framework designed to manage and deliver IT services in a structured and efficient manner. The goal of ITSM is to ensure that IT services meet the needs of the business and its users, providing high-quality service delivery and improving customer satisfaction. Before ITSM, IT departments often operated in an uncoordinated manner, leading to inconsistent service quality, inefficiencies, and poor communication. ITSM frameworks were developed to address these issues through standardized processes and best practices. Key ITSM concepts. 1. Incident management. Purpose: to manage and resolve unplanned interruptions or reductions in IT service quality. Example: an employee reports they can't access their email. The incident management process handles the logging, categorization, prioritization, investigation, resolution, and closure of such issues. 2. Problem management. Purpose: to identify and resolve the root causes of recurring incidents to prevent future issues. Example: repeated email outages suggest an underlying problem. Problem management involves diagnosing the root cause, implementing workarounds, and applying permanent solutions to prevent recurrence. 3. Change management. Purpose: to manage changes to IT systems in a controlled manner to minimize disruption. Example: a request to upgrade the email server is assessed, planned, implemented, and reviewed to ensure it doesn't disrupt existing services and meets its intended goals. 4. Configuration management. Purpose: to maintain information about IT assets and their relationships. Keeping an up-to-date record of hardware and software components helps in understanding their dependencies and impact during incidents or changes. 5. Service desk. Purpose: to serve as a single point of contact between users and IT for reporting issues and requests. Example: employees contact the service desk to report IT issues or request support, and the service desk manages these requests through the ITSM processes. Key ITSM processes. 1. Incident management. Purpose: to manage and resolve unplanned interruptions or reductions in IT service quality. Process steps. 1. Identification: detect and log the incident. Example: an employee reports they can't access their email. 2. Categorization: classify the incident by type, impact, and urgency. Example: categorize it as a critical email access issue. 3. Prioritization: determine the priority based on business impact. Since email access is crucial, prioritize it as high. 4. Investigation and diagnosis: identify the root cause and attempt to resolve it. Example: check the email server's status and logs. 5. Resolution and recovery: apply a fix and restore service operation. Example: reboot the email server to restore access. 6. Closure: confirm resolution with the user and close the incident. Verify the employee can access their email and mark the incident as resolved. Applications for incident management: ServiceNow, Jira Service Management, BMC Remedy. 2. Problem management. Purpose: to identify and resolve the root causes of recurring incidents to prevent future issues. Process steps. 1. Identification: detect problems based on recurring incidents. Example: multiple incidents of email outages suggest a recurring problem. 2. Categorization: classify and prioritize the problem. Example: classify it as a system outage problem. 3. Investigation and diagnosis: analyze the root cause of the problem. Example: examine server logs and hardware performance. 4. Workaround and resolution: provide temporary fixes and implement a permanent solution. Example: use a backup server temporarily and schedule a permanent fix. 5. Closure: confirm the solution resolves the problem and update documentation. Example: ensure the email system remains stable and document the solution. Applications for problem management: ServiceNow, Jira Service Management, Ivanti Service Manager. 3. Change management. Purpose: to manage changes to IT systems in a controlled manner to minimize disruption. Process steps. 1. Request for change RFC: submit a request to make a change. Example: request to upgrade the email server. 2. Assessment and approval: evaluate the change's impact and obtain approval. Example: assess the upgrade's impact and get stakeholder approval. 3. Planning: develop a detailed plan for the change, including scheduling. Example: plan the upgrade for a weekend to minimize disruption. 4. Implementation: execute the change according to the plan. Example, perform the server upgrade on the scheduled date. 5. Review and closure. Verify the change's success and document the results. Example, confirm the email system functions correctly post-upgrade and close the request. Applications for change management. ServiceNow, Jira Service Management, BMC Remedy. ITSM frameworks provide structured approaches to managing IT services, improving service quality, efficiency, and user satisfaction. By using ITSM tools like ServiceNow, Jira Service Management, and BMC Remedy, organizations can effectively manage incidents, problems, and changes, ensuring smooth and reliable IT service delivery. This integrated explanation includes an overview of key ITSM concepts, detailed process steps, real-life examples, and popular applications for implementing ITSM practices.